Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about the function as a correspondence. Okay. In that topic, we discussed about the following points. First one is that suppose that there are two non-empty sets. Then a function f from set A to set B is a rule or a mapping or method or corresponding to associates elements of sets A to set B such that first important concept of for function, all the elements of set A, we discuss about that now, all the elements of set A is associated to element in set B, and an elements of set A is associated to a unique element in set B. This is the basic concept for a function. Suppose f be the function from set A to set B, then we can write in this way: f such that A to B. The meaning of that is f is a function from set A to set B. Okay. And suppose an ordered pair AB belong any function, then B is called the image of A under F. B is the image of A under F, and A is known as the pre-image of B under F. Okay. So in this way we describe the function as a correspondence. Okay. And also we solve some questions based on function and find out that which of the functions which of the followings are function or not. Okay. Two important concept behind function: all elements of A, all the elements of A are associated to an element of B. Second important thing is that an element of A has the unique image in B. Okay. Now unique element associated to a unique element in B. This is the two very important concept behind that. Now we discuss about domain, codomain and range of a function. Okay. We discuss about domain, range and codomain of the function. Let's see. It is very important topic. Okay. Let's see. Yesterday I discussed about let a function f such that A to B, let then set A domain of f, then set A is known as the domain of a function f. Okay. And the set B is known as the codomain of function f. Okay. Is known as the codomain of function f. And the set of all images of elements of A. Suppose that you know that na, if an ordered pair AB belong any function f, then you know that B is called the image of A under function f. Okay. The set of all image of elements A is known as the range of function or image set of A under f, and it is denoted by f of A. It is denoted by f of A. Okay. Now let's take an example. Now it is clear that. Okay. Now let's take an example. Suppose two sets here. Let set A is equal to -2 -1 0 +1 +2, and another set B is equal to 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, consider a rule. Consider a rule f of x is equal to x square. Under this rule we obtained under this rule we obtain under this rule we obtain what? F of minus 2. We obtain f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square, that is 4 na, that is 4. If we put x is equal to minus 1, f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square, that is plus 1. Okay, f of 0 is 0 square, that is 0. F of 1 that is 1 square, that is 1. And f of 2 we put x is equal to 2 na, in that function, that is 2 square, that is 4. Okay, we observe that here what each element of a is associated to a unique element of b na. Suppose that if we put minus 2 square, then we 4 contain b contains 4, 1 also contain b 4, 0 also b also contains 0, b also contain 1, and b also contain 4. Okay, here we observe that each element of a okay is associated to unique element of b, unique element of b na. Okay, here we observe that each element of a is associated to unique element of b. Okay, right. So what function such that a to b given by f of x is equal to x square is a function na, is a function. This is a function from a to b because of each element of a is associated to a unique element of b, so it is a function from a to b. Now domain of function, of a, you know that the set of a is known as the domain of a function. So the domain is what? Minus 2, the set a, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. This is the domain of a function. And what is the codomain? What is the codomain? Codomain of the function, the set of all elements of B. Okay, and what is the range of a function? What is the range of the function? You know that the set of all f images of elements A, set of all images of element of A is known as the range of a function, na? So here we have what? 1, we have 1, 0 and 4, and that is 0, 1 and 4 are the range of the given function. Okay, so range of the function, the set of images of elements of A is known as the range of a function. So range of the function is what? 0, 1 and 4. This is the range of the function. Now clear? So in this way we find the domain and range of pre-image of the function. Okay, now take another example. Now we take some other example based on the function. Take a question. Let a set A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, 1 and 2, and function such that A to Z be given by B given by f of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, find the range of f. Find the range of f. Second one, pre-images of pre-images of 6, minus 3 and 5. Okay, pre-images of 6, minus 3 and 5. Now solve it. First of all, we take first point, which is find the range of the function. First of all, we have set A is equal to, write that -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Okay, and also f of x defined by x square minus 2x minus 3. Since we have f of -2, first of all, f of -2 means what? -2 square, -2 into -2 minus 3, that is that is 5. Okay, f of -1. F of -1 means what? Let's see. We put x is equal to -1 na, -1 square, -2 into -1 minus 3 is equal to what? 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 3 means 0. Okay, and we put 0, the value of f of 0. F of 0 means what? -3. Okay, f of +1. F of +1 means what? We put x is equal to 1 square 2 into 1 minus 3, that is 1 minus 2 minus 3, that is 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. Okay, and we put x is equal to f is equal x is equal to 2, f of 2. F of 2 means 2 square, 2 into 2 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, cancel to each other, that is minus 3. Okay, so range of the function means what? So all these value which is related to that is 5, 0, 0, 5, minus 3 and minus 4, all are the range of the given function, na? All are the range of the given function, because these is the all are the integers. Okay, all are the integers, na? So range of a function, range of the function is 0, 5, minus 3 and minus 4. 0, 5, minus 3 and minus 4. This is the range of the function. Okay, second one we have to find the pre-images of 6, minus 3 and 5. Let x be the pre-image of 6. Let x be the pre-image of 6. Then f of x is equal to 6, na? F of x is equal to 6. So we have the value of f of x is equal to what? X square minus 2x x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, minus 3 is equal to 6. Now the value x square minus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. So after solving that equation by Sridharacharya rule, we get the value of x is equal to 1 plus minus under root 10. Okay, since x is equal to this is not belong a, na? Since x is equal to 1 plus minus root 2 does not belong a, na? So there is no pre-image of 6. So therefore no pre-image of 6. Okay, now let x be the pre-image of minus 3. We also find the pre-image of minus 3, na? Let x be the pre-image of minus 3. Then f of x is equal to minus 3. Now we put the value of f of x, which is x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So after solving that, cancel out. X is common, to x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 0 or 2. Okay, clearly 0 or 2 both belongs in A na, 0 and 2 both belong in A. Clearly 0 2 both belongs in A. So 0 and 2 are 0 and 2 are pre-images of -3, free images of -3. Okay, in this way we solve, we find that the pre-images of anyone. Now we have to find also the pre-images of 5 na. Let x be the pre-image of 5. Let x be the pre-image of 5. Okay, let x be the pre-image of 5. Then f of x is equal to 5. That is, the value of f of x is what? X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. So after solve it, we have x square minus 2x minus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then we have x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Solving the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term, we get what? 4 to the 8, 4 minus 2 2, that is x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then we get common x, that is x minus 4, common 2, that is x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have x minus 4 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then when x minus 4 is equal to 0, this x is equal to plus 4. When x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. The all possible values of x here are 4 and minus 2. Okay, now we observe that minus 2 belongs A. Minus 2 belongs A na, but 4 does not belong A na, but 4 does not belong A. So minus 2, only minus 2 is a pre-image of 5. Okay, so minus 2 is the pre-image of 5. This is your answer. So dear students, in this way we solve that type of questions. Okay, yes. So students, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, let's see once more time. Here your question is, let A be the given sets any, and f is a function such that A to z be the set of all integers. Okay, be given by fx is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. Here your question is, find the range of function f, and we find also the pre-image of 6 minus 3 and 5. Okay, first of all you write the given set and find that is corresponding value of each of the elements of A. F of x defined by x square minus 2x minus 3 na. So you find each of the corresponding value of each elements of A. That is, we first of all we put x is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. In this way we get f of minus 2 is minus 3, sorry, plus 5, f of minus 1 is 0, f of 0 is minus 3, f of 1 is minus 4, and f of 2 is minus 3. Means all these values is the unique is associated the unique element of integer z. So all these values is the range of the given function. All these value is the range of the given function. In this way we find that the range of a function is 0, 5, minus 3 and minus 4. All the values, all are integers. Okay. Now in second question we find the pre-image of 6, minus 3 and 5. For finding the pre-image, first of all you take let x be the pre-image of further elements which is given in your question. First we find the pre-image of 6. So first of all you take let x be the pre-image of 6. Okay. Then f of x is equal to 6, you put that, and you value of f of x is equal to this. After solving that equation, quadratic equation by the Sridharacharya rule, we find the value of x is 1 plus minus root 10, and we observe that here 1 plus minus root 10 is does not belong a na. If the value of x is belong to a, then we can say that that value is the pre-image of 6, but the value of this does not belong to a, so therefore no any pre-image of 6. Okay. We also find that the pre-image of minus 3 and 5. Similarly for that let x be the pre-image of f minus 3, then f of minus 3 is, we put f of x is equal to minus 3, and we have putting the value of f of x, we have 0 and 2. After solving this equation we find that the value of x is 0, 2, and clearly we observe that here 0 and 2 both belongs in a. So 0 and 2 both are the images of minus 3. Similarly for finding the pre-image of 5, you assume that let x be the pre-image of 5, that is f of x is equal to 5. Okay. Now we put the value of the function f of x, and after solving the quadratic equation we find that here after solving the equation we find two possible value of x, which are 4 and minus 2, and here we observe that 4 does not belong the set A, but minus 2 is belong set A. So between 4 and minus 2 is only the pre-image of 5, because minus 2 belong A, but 4 does not belong A. Okay. So here minus 2 is only the pre-image of 5. Now, so dear students, first of all you solve all the questions based on that topic of your NCERT exercise. Okay. Now little bit we discuss about equal functions. What are equal functions? Two functions f and g, suppose two function f and g are said to be equal if, first point, domain of function f is equal to domain of function g, and second one, codomain of function f is equal to codomain of function g. Third, f of x is equal to gx for every x belonging to their common domain. If two functions f and g are equal, then we write f is equal to j. Okay, so we discuss next topic in next class. Thank you.